right! What was that sound? Can you guess it before we do? Is it a dinosaur? Nope! It's a duck! Maybe a robot dancing? Wrong again! That's a D-rum! Is it a ghost? How many sounds did YOU guess right?